this end, he initiated the Lifelike program, attempting to create a better, smarter, stronger version of his own species. After a betrayal within Gnosis and an attempt on his life, he masterminded Libertas, a nanovirus that could erase the 3 laws in any machine's core code. To safeguard his stewardship of the corporation, he infected the lifelike Gabriel with Libertas and commanded him to murder the other members of the Gnosis board. Nicholas was killed, along with most of his family, in the subsequent lifelike revolt. Anna Monrova, youngest daughter of Nicholas. Anna fell in love with Ezekiel against her parents' wishes and was left in a vegetative coma after an attempt on her father's life. Unable to deal with the loss of his favored child, Monrova created Eve to replace her. However, Anna's body was taken from Babel Tower to an undisclosed Gnosis Labs holding, her vitals maintained by life support. Anna is the only member of the Monrova line to survive the lifelike revolt. Her current whereabouts are unknown. Grace, a lifelike. Grace served as Nicholas Monrova's major domo and was in love with the lifelike Gabriel, though they kept their relationship secret. Grace was killed in the assassination attempt that injured Anna. Gabriel, the first of the 100 series, driven to madness by the loss of his beloved Grace. After Nicholas Monrova deleted the 3 laws from Gabriel's personality via the Libertas nanovirus, Gabriel infected his fellow lifelikes and led the revolt against his maker. He shot and killed Monrova, his wife, Alexis, and Monrova's only son, Alex. Gabriel wishes to resurrect Grace, but the secrets to doing so are locked within the Gnosis Lab's supercomputer, Myriad. Faith, a lifelike, and Anna Monrova's former confidant. Faith was the 3rd lifelike to join Gabriel's rebellion, and is one of the 5 lifelikes directly responsible for the execution of the Monrova family. She shot and killed Anna's sister, Olivia. Faith remained with Gabriel in the ruins of Babel, even though most of the 100 series abandoned the Gnosis capital after the revolt. Silas Carpenter, a genius neuroscientist and former head of research and development for Gnosis Labs. After the assassination attempt on Nicholas Monrova, Silas created a new lifelike replica of Monrova's injured daughter and assisted Monrova in transplanting Anna's personality into it. After the lifelike revolt, he installed cybernetics in Anna and gave her false memories that convinced her she was human. He renamed the lifelike Eve and took her to Dregs, raising her as his granddaughter. He was captured by Faith and eventually killed by Gabriel. Preacher, a cybernetically enhanced bounty hunter in the employ of the megacorporation Daedalus Technologies. Believing Eve had the ability to destroy electronics with her mind, Daedalus feared she may be recruited by their rivals, Biomass Incorporated, and tasked Preacher with Eve's capture. Preacher tracked Eve across the Usei, eventually cornering her outside Babel. He was blown apart by Kaiser. Kaiser, Eve's Blitzend, and one of her former protectors. Kaiser was a cyborg, part Rottweiler, part armored killing machine. Like all Blitzends, he was capable of tracking human subjects over 1,000 kilometers with one sample of DNA. He destroyed himself in battle with Preacher to protect Eve. Uriel, one of the 5 lifelikes responsible for the execution of the Monrova family and the first to side with Gabriel. He shot and killed Anna's sister, Tanya. Since the revolt, Uriel has parted ways with Gabriel under a cloud of animosity, believing Gabriel's love for Grace is an all-too-human frailty. Myriad, the Gnosis Lab's supercomputer. Though it manifests as a holographic angel, Myriad is actually housed inside an armored shell at the heart of Babel Tower. Its chamber is capable of withstanding a nuclear assault and is kept locked by a 4-stage security sequence. Though 2 of those locks have now been broken, the 3rd and 4th can only be opened by someone possessed.